Well, I'm back with a new product. My mom, for my birthday, bought me an ultrasonic cleaner. I've got to look up the specifications. I'll put them in the description below. But I already unboxed it, but I left everything in here. So, got the lid, the instruction manual, and then some hose, which I think attaches to there so you can drain it. Alright, we got the power cord. And we got two little strainers for the hose clamp. And then this little thing, which I think goes down in there. So, it's got a nice little basket. So it looks like it goes down. There we go. Nice strainer. This doesn't come out. I'm not sure what these are. Maybe put small parts in. That's what that's for. Put small parts in. I already took a look at the manual, and it really didn't have very good instructions on, just setting it up and stuff, but I mean, whatever. I mean, there's not that much to it. I just got to get the right cleaner in it. I'll look that up on the jet ski forums. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't have much in it. So it'll go up there with all my manuals. And there's the carburetors. So I've got my JIS screwdriver, and I'm going to buy a rebuild kit from OSD Marine, Nick Grillo, and get this thing apart, get it cleaned in this. This thing will be awesome to clean it in. And I'm kind of going to set it up a little bit, I think. Alright, got it all hose hooked up to drain. And then got it all plugged in. I don't have any solution yet, so I'm gonna get solution, and then I'm gonna wait until I order the carburetor back to OEM kits for it, and then I'll do it. And I do want to sandblast it, but I mean, honestly, that's a 15 gallon and 125 psi, and it ain't cutting it. Can work for maybe 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and I gotta stop and let it get up. And if I stay on it too long, it trips a breaker. So I need a bigger air compressor and 220 run out here for it to run on, because I'd like to 200 psi for this thing. It'd be great. I mean, it's taken me a while to get that done. Next thing is the water jacket head, or the domes actually. Yeah, sorry, the domes. So I'm gonna do that next, and I am going to do some tonight. So need to wipe up in there a little bit, but honestly, it looks really good. And I guess they told me on the forum, those silicone patches, put them on after I paint. I've got a link from somebody, Glenn Cox, I think, that said for the silicone he uses, so I might get those off and redo them. I don't know if I'll just paint around them. So, and I'm just, the only thing I'm concerned about is getting all the wire and electric run. I took a bunch of pictures and I got a manual, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.